In this episode, I'm going to share with you top 5 Arduino GSM projects. The project's tutorial links are given in the description. These projects can be used as the final year engineering projects. The projects that I'm about to share with you guys are very easy to modify. For more amazing projects, you can check my playlists. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 5. Arduino in GSM based security alert message to multiple numbers. There are situations when you need to send one message to multiple numbers. For example, a security alert message that you want to send on more than 2, 3, 4 or even more numbers. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make an advanced security system and send the security alert message to multiple numbers using Arduino and a GSM Sim900A module. For the demonstration purposes, I used an LDR sensor, which makes this project as a laser security system. But if you want, you can also replace the LDR with a PIR sensor or magnetic read sensor or a limit switch and so on. You can also use all of these sensors together in one project. Number 4. GSM and GPS based car accident location tracking. Nowadays, a lot of accidents happen on highways due to increase in traffic and also due to rash driving of the drivers. And in many situations, the family members or the ambulance and police authority is not informed in time. This results in delaying the help reach to the person suffered during an accident. In this project, limit switches are used to sense if the car is hit by another car or a wall, etc. While the Neo 6M GPS module is used to access the longitude and latitude values. The longitude and latitude values are then sent using the GSM module. This project can be easily modified. Relays can be added to wirelessly control the car ignition, doors locking and unlocking and so on. Number 3. GSM-based gas leakage detection with SMS Alert. This project is based on the smoke or gas leakage detection and SMS Alert system. When gas or smoke is detected, a message is sent to the desired person using a GSM module. This project is based on the Arduino SIM900A GSM module and MQ2 Sensor Module. This project can be easily modified by adding multiple sensors and a solenoid valve for the automatic valve shutdown. Number 2. RFID and GSM based students attendance system. First of all, a teacher swipes a card and is marked present. Then the timer is started and messages are sent to all students that the teacher has arrived. If the student swipes their cards within the specified time, they will be marked present. And the rest of the students will be marked absent. And messages will be sent to their parents. Number 1. Arduino GSM and RFID based kids safety system. Recently, crime against children is increasing at a higher rate, and it is high time to offer a safety system for the children going to school. When a child does not come to school, it is very important to inform the parents. Time can be critical as small children may get in trouble and help should come quickly. It is the responsibility of the school management to inform the parents in time whether their child is present or absent. However, this is not easy to do this manually by typing and sending alert messages to parents. So a suitable solution for this problem is to design an automatic messaging system. Each student is given an RFID card. When the student swipes a card, a message is sent to their parents. This way the parents can know whether their child is present or absent. So in this tutorial you will learn how to make an automatic parents alert messaging system using Arduino MFRC522 RFID module, a 16x2 LCD and a GSM Sim900A module. Detailed tutorial links of all the 5 projects are given in the description. Support me on Patreon for more videos. I hope you liked today's episode. Like and share this video with your friends. See you in next episode and thanks for watching.